Howdy folks, in the battlefield of clicks and clacks, let's switch teams today. Our usual suspects are the sexy mechanical keyboards, revered for their touch, tactility and customizability. But hey, let's not be keyboard racists. Today we are giving membrane keyboards playing cards. We've got a budget baby, a mid-ranger and a high-end snob. Now you might think, what? Membrane? You gotta be kidding. But stick with us till the end. We might just surprise you. So, now before we jump the gun, let's decode the membrane keyboard. The silent ninja of keyboards, it can be quieter and smoother, and for some folks, it's like tapping on a marshmallow. And who doesn't love marshmallows? Plus, they're cheap, like fast food, but without the regret. On the flip side, they might feel a bit mushy, like a bad first kiss, and they lack a clear activation point, and aren't as durable as our other friends right here. So how do these keyboards work? Let's kick off with our budget-friendly pick. It's like buying a car without air conditioning. It will get you from point A to B, but no comfort. Not its strong suit. When you press a key, it's like high-fiving a rubber mat, which then high-fives the circuit board. Mechanical keyboards, however, are like an orchestra. Under each key, an activation point about halfway down, so you don't need to slam the key like an angry ex. So let's get our hands dirty with the budget of the budget keyboards. The $7 membrane keyboard. It's like dating someone way out of your league. Exciting, but let's be real, there's a lot missing. So let's just start by making a typing test. Not very good. I mean, it would be okay to type on, and it would be good enough to give to your 7-year-old cousin. But let's be real, you want something a little more nice. Something that maybe is not just pure membrane. This one actually has extensions, which I would call, built on top of it, that makes it a little more comfortable. It also makes it worse to type on, but better to game on. I would feel more comfortable gaming on this. So that was a kind of an upgrade, right? So now let's get to our high-end membrane keyboard. Hold on to your butts, because we're diving into the premium territory. It's like when your boss takes you out for lunch. You know it's gonna be fancy. I don't know if you could feel it through the screen, but this one feels so much better to type on than anything else. It actually feels like something that's worth more than your mom. So let's see what it's hiding. So what this is hiding is some sort of stabilizer under every switch here that kind of keeps the keycap in place and has a stop point too. So even though on this keyboard when I press down, it feels like I press even more down. Mushroomy, like the mushrooms I ate last night. But let's not talk more about that. This one, when you press down, you can't press more down. There's no way. And this is also much more well built, although not as well built as this mechanical keyboard. This one bends like hell, even though it has a metal plate on it. Yeah, clear difference, right? The SteelSeries one here, which costs about $30, is way better than the two others. The Messiah one here costs about $15, and yeah, again, this one costed $7. Piece of trash. So we tested these membrane bad boys, but how do they stand against the mechanical titans? Yes, they don't stand a single fucking chance. This one is so much better. It's hilarious. Like typing on a mechanical keyboard after typing on this membrane. Almost orgasm. So yeah, if you don't have any money, just go find some membrane office keyboard in the dumpster and use that. It'll work, right? But if you have some money, get a mechanical keyboard. What can I say? RGB comparison moment. Now I can't really see this, but this one is way better than this one. Just want to say it. But I want to say this, oh my god, this is technically RGB, right? But green, red and blue. It's like ordering a vibrator off Wish.com. I mean, technically it vibrates, right? So yeah, that was basically all for this video. Yeah, subscribe, whatever. And I want to deeply thank ChatGPT for helping write the script. It was absolutely amazing.